Hello, today we are going to build an API rapidly using Java and Spring Boot. We are going to start from scratch and using the Spring Spring initializer from the Spring website itself. So this is the root address for the Spring framework, spring.io. You type it, you go to project menu, you choose Spring initializer. What is a Spring Initializer? A Spring Initializer is a facility that help us to build the skeleton of our program. It's going to build the dependency structure, our folder structure, and will give us the base application. We will see that even the base application is a working application actually, although it has no functionality. So that's it. I will change just the name here to Rapid API Building, and that's it. I'm going to hit the generate. It's going to give me a zip file. I'm going to unzip the file. Okay, I I unzip the file. I'm going to here. I will choose new project from existing source, and this is the folder that we just downloaded. I'm going to use the Maven as our build tool. Okay, it's loading up. It's downloading the dependencies. Here we go. We have the folder structure. We have source folder, main folder, Java folder, and here is our Java file. And here is the POM file, which has the dependencies we choose. We choose Java 11. As for the dependency, we use a Spring Boot Starter Web, which itself contains multiple dependencies. It has the starter test, and we can go ahead and just run the application. As you saw, I didn't add anything to it. So we just run it and see what we get. It's building my application. Okay, it just started. Tomcat is started on port 8080, which is the default port of the Spring Boot. It started rapid application. The rapid application is the name I chose for my application. And it initializes the web application context for me as well. However, since we didn't add any code to this application, it doesn't do anything. So let's go ahead and just quickly add an endpoint to it. For adding endpoint, I'm going to build a new folder here. I will name the folder controller. I will create a new class. Here I can put whatever name I like. I would say my endpoint controller. Then I need to let a Spring Boot know that this is a REST controller, meaning that I'm going to add some methods that that I want to be exposed as REST endpoints. For doing that, I'm going to build a method here. This method will return a string. I would name it my endpoint. You can of course name it whatever you like. I would return a string here. Hello from REST endpoint rapid API API building. Okay, all right. That's it. However, we have to map this method to the REST endpoint that we are going to have. How are we going to do that? Get mapping value, and we will have the endpoint, my endpoint. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, we have typos here and there. Okay, let's build it. Okay, the application was started. The tomcat was initialized. Okay, let's go and call the application and see if we can get the response. You can say localhost. It was 8080. We put it my endpoint. Here we go. We have the string coming back. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to add on top of this simple application, we are going to add more endpoints to it, and we are going to build the connection to our MongoDB database.